Hello students, welcome to physics class. Today we will discuss about open argon pipe. The second year syllabus of physics, the first unit waves. In that we will discuss open argon pipe. Open argon pipe, closed argon pipe and strings. These three are musical instruments. Musical instruments are two types. First one is based on vibrations of strings and second one is based on vibrations of air column. Based on the vibration of air column, the musical instruments are two types, open and closed argon pipes. In the case of air column argon pipes, the vibrating air column creates musical notes. In case of strings, the vibrating string creates musical notes. The length of the air column, if the length of the air column changes, then pitch of the sound also changes. The length of the air column can be changed by valves or keys present in that musical instrument. These open and closed argon pipes are nothing but a hollow cylindrical pipes. A hollow cylindrical pipes. If the both ends are open, then it is called as open argon pipe. If one end is closed and another end is open, then it is called as closed argon pipe. Okay, next, the distance between antinode and antinode is lambda by 2. The distance between node and node is also lambda by 2. And the distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. Right, next one. The relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength is V is equal to n lambda or n is equal to V by lambda. But we should not use V is equal to root T by nu in open or closed argon pipes because here T and mu are tension and linear density of strings. So it is only used in case of strings, that is in case of stationary waves. Next, in case of open argon pipe, let us say the two ends are open, so the medium is here air, the particles of the medium at two ends are free to vibrate, so at open end antinode is formed. Because at antinode the displacement is maximum. At closed end only node is formed because the particles of the medium, here the air column, the particles of the medium are restricted to vibrate freely. So the displacement is 0, so a node is formed at closed end. So the minimum probability with two antinodes is one node. That is, the minimum probability to form a stationary wave in case of open argon pipe is two antinodes and a single node is formed. The distance of open argon pipe we have taken is, the length of the open argon pipe we have taken is L, and we know the distance between antinode and antinode is lambda by 2. So L is equal to lambda by 2, that implies lambda is equal to 2L. We know that n is equal to V by lambda, so n is equal to V by lambda. By substituting lambda value 2L here, we get V by 2L. This is the first case, so we will write N1 here. N1 is equal to V by 2L. This is called fundamental or first harmonic frequency. Next, in the second case, also at open ends, antinodes are formed. In between two antinodes, here two nodes are formed, because next probability is 3 antinodes and 2 nodes. Here is only one node, here is in the case 2, we obtain 2 and 2 nodes. That is, one node extra is formed here. So the length of the tube or pipe is equal to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. The distance between antinode and antinode is lambda by 2, and the distance between antinode and antinode is lambda by 2. So L is equal to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. That implies lambda is equal to 2L by 2. Because 2 lambda by 2 is equal to L, that implies lambda is equal to 2L by 2. By substituting lambda value in n is equal to V by lambda, we get N2 is equal to 2V by 2L. Here V by 2L can be replaced by N1, so N2 is equal to 2N1. Second harmonic frequency. N2 is called as the second harmonic frequency or first overtone. Next, in the third case, we will get another extra node, that is 3 nodes. In the first case we have only one node, in the second case 2 nodes, in the third case we have 3 nodes. In the same way, in the first case we have 2 antinodes, in the second case we have 3 antinodes, in third case we have 4 antinodes and 3 nodes. The length of the argon pipe is same, L, but the distance between antinode and antinode is lambda by 2. So lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Therefore L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. That implies lambda is equal to 2L by 3. By substituting lambda value in n is equal to V by lambda, we get N3 is equal to V by lambda, that is equal to 3V by 2L. Here V by 2L again is equal to N1. So N3 is equal to 3N1. N3 is called as third harmonic frequency or second overtone. Here N1, N2, N3 are called as harmonics, except N1, N2, N3 so on are called as overtones. Once again I repeat, N1, N2, N3 so on are called as harmonics, except fundamental harmonic or first harmonic. The remaining N2, N3 so on are called as overtones. Right. The best example of open organ pipe is a flute or a saxophone. In the case of closed organ pipe, we will reduce the equation in the same way, but in the case of closed organ pipe, we get N1, N3, N5 odd harmonics. But in the case of open organ pipe, we get all harmonics, that is all harmonics are possible. Right, that's all.